The miracle in water treatment Whirling Symmetry Technology, WST, is a revolutionary approach that harnesses natural vortex dynamics to purify and vitalize water. Through intensive water vortexing, which significantly surpasses the already beneficial natural water movements found in oceans and mountain streams, WST enhances the structure and energy of water, making it exceptionally beneficial and supportive for both humans and the environment. The technology is based on the principles of sacred geometry and fluid dynamics, creating a harmonious interaction between water and nature. In a world where water pollution and chemical treatments are widespread, WST offers a sustainable and natural alternative. It not only purifies water but also restores its life-supporting qualities, which are often lost in conventional treatment processes. In Whirling Symmetry Technology, specially designed flow chambers create powerful vortexes that mimic the spiral patterns of nature. As water moves through these chambers, it undergoes dynamic changes in pressure and velocity, resulting in the breakdown of harmful substances and the reorganization of molecular structures. This process energetically recharges the water and restores its natural vitality. Users of WST-treated water report improved taste, enhanced hydration, and a general sense of well-being. Scientific tests show that virtually all key water quality indicators improve dramatically within seconds, such as increased oxygen content, especially when dealing with problematic source water. The design of WST devices is inspired by natural geometries, such as the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio. These patterns are not only aesthetically pleasing but also serve a functional purpose by guiding the water flow in a harmonious manner. The materials used are selected for their energetic properties and durability, ensuring long-term effectiveness without introducing any contaminants. WST systems range from small household units to large-scale installations for entire ecosystems. The scalability of the technology allows it to be adapted to various needs without compromising its core principles. Since no chemicals are required, WST also represents a truly simple and cost-effective method of water treatment. With growing awareness of the importance of water quality, Whirling Symmetry Technology is gaining increasing attention from scientists, environmentalists, wellness and longevity experts, as well as health advocates. Its holistic approach bridges ancient wisdom and modern science, forming a link between technology and nature. Ongoing research continues to confirm its benefits and reveal new areas of application. Whether used to promote a healthy lifestyle, improve food production, or reduce agricultural and industrial inputs, WST is, in the most literal sense, creating movement. By regarding water as a living substance rather than merely a resource, we are taking a vital step toward a more sustainable and harmonious future.